Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Fana. Today we are going to learn how to respond to thank you. There are a number of times when okay is the response to my thank you. It is not wrong, but let's just find out the other more suitable responses to thank you. The purpose of this video is to expand your vocabulary and to give varieties to your conversation. Without wasting any time, let's just level up with 10 other responses to thank you. Number 1. You're welcome. You're welcome. This is a very common and appropriate response to thank you. For example, thank you for helping me with all the boxes. You're welcome. Number 2, no problem. No problem. This phrase shows that you have no problem to help. For example, thank you for lending me your car. Oh, no problem. No problem at all. Number 3, no worries. No worries. This phrase shows that you are happy to help, so don't worry. For example, thank you for helping me at the restaurant just now. Oh, no worries. It's nothing. Number 4, don't mention it. Don't mention it. This phrase sounds so British. It is used when you don't want people to mention your help, but actually you do. For example, thank you for planning a surprise party for me. Ah, don't mention it. It's nothing, really. Here, planning a surprise party is a bit difficult. You really want people to mention it and thanking you. But, well, it's okay. Don't mention it. Ah. Number 5, the pleasure is mine. The pleasure is mine. This is a formal response to thank you. Sometimes people shorten it to my pleasure or pleasure. For example, thank you for inviting me to your house. Or the pleasure is all mine. Thank you for coming. Number 6, anytime. Anytime. This is a casual response to thank you. For example, thank you for the carpool. Oh, anytime. Number 7, it was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. This response is very heartfelt, very sincere. For example, thank you for your donation. Oh, it's the least I could do. Number 8, I'm happy to help. I'm happy to help. This response is business related. For example, thank you for helping me with the application. I'm happy to help, sir. Number 9, much obliged. Much obliged. This phrase is quite old-fashioned, very British. For example, thank you for helping me finding the right size. Much obliged. Number 10. Sure. Sure. This phrase is very American. It always comes hand in hand with no problem. For instance, thank you for the flowers. Sure, no problem. Number 11. Thank you. I know, right? Well, actually, this phrase is used when we also have something to thank the person. We tend to stress the word you to show that, no, I am thanking you. For instance, thank you for coming to my cafe. No, thank you. I had a great time. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to comment below and tell me what is your favorite responses to thank you. Also, do follow me in my social media. In Instagram at English with Fana, and also my Facebook page. That's all for today. Till next time. Bye!